Do 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 do. You really should accept this time is gone for good. He'll never come back now, even though he said he would. So darling, dry your eyes. So many other guys would give the world, I'm sure, to wear the shoes he wore. Oh come on, smile a little smile for me, Rosemary. What's the use in crying? In a little while you'll see, Rosemary, you must keep on trying. I know that he hurt you bad, I know, darling, don't be sad, and smile a little smile for me, Rosemary, Rosemary. Well, hi there, pluckers. I was Sawfingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson. This is an oldie from 1969 and from a band called The Flying Machine, who were a pop band in the UK in the late 60s, 68, 69, 70, that sort of period. And they released this song that I've just played, or part of it anyway, A Little Smile for Me. And in the UK, I don't think it actually charted very high in the UK. But in the States it went to number 5 in the Billboard charts, I believe. Okay, so probably better known in the States than the UK, even though it's a UK band. Okay, anyway, so I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as The Flying Machine. Then boys and girls, let me show you how I played that. So the song starts off with this little riff. And I'm holding, to do that, I'm holding a C chord, I'm playing the 5th string, then the 3rd string, open, 2 hits on the 2nd string, then 1 on the 3rd, and you play that twice, okay, so. Then we come in with an orchestrated bit, it's like muted trumpets. Do, 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay, so the rundown is it's like a C, do 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 do, C. Then you go down to that C would be in the bass. So you're just keeping the 1st finger where it is. Lower the 5th string down to the 2nd fret, and then we keep do the 3rd chord as A minor 7, keeping the 1st finger where it is, 2nd on the 4th, open 3rd, open 5th, open top E. Okay, A minor 7. So the note is actually G. Do 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 do, emphasising the bass note each time. So 5th string, 5th string, 5th string. Okay. Then what you do is you add your, what I did, I add my 3rd finger to the bottom E string on the 3rd fret, keeping the A minor 7th with G in the bass now. This 3rd finger goes up to the 3rd fret, bottom E string, and then you hit that. So you got do 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 do. Then we play an F chord, do do do. And back to the C, single strum on the C. So from the beginning, do 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 do. Okay, and you add that little riff again on the end of, when you come back from the F to the C, you go to the 3rd string, 2 hits on the 2nd, 3rd string, 5th string, 3rd string, 2 hits on the 2nd, finish on that 3rd. Okay, so the whole intro, slow motion. Do 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 do. Okay, and then the singing comes in with the first verse, and the chords for the first verse, first two lines are C, A minor seventh, that's A minor without the third finger, D minor seventh, the way I play it anyway, so it's like an F chord without the third finger, open fifth, open fourth, second on the third, barring the first two strings on the first fret. Okay, and then G. Okay, so it's C, A minor seventh, D minor seventh, G. So it's, you really should accept this time is gone for good. He'll never come back now, even though he said he would. Got that? Once again. So when you come out of that, let's do the whole thing. Do 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 do. You really should accept this time is gone for good. He'd never come back now, even though he said he would. As far as we got. Then we go to A minor. So darling, dry your eyes. Then we do that A minor with G in the bass again. So it's like an A minor seventh. That take the third finger and put it up to the third fret on the bottom E string. Hit that note. Okay, so it's so darling, dry your eyes. Then that finger goes up to the third on the bottom E string. So many other guys, F, would give the world, I'm sure, to where is a G suspended fourth. That's a G chord with the first finger on the first fret of the second string. Wear the shoes he, G. Take the finger away, first finger away, G. So that's, would give the world, I'm sure, to wear the shoes he wore. Then you put the finger back again. Oh, come on, and then we're into the chorus. Okay? So the whole thing so far. Do 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 do. You really should accept this time is gone for good. He'll never come back now, even though he said he would. So darling, dry your eyes. So many other guys would give the world, I'm sure, to wear the shoes he wore. Oh, come on. And we're into the chorus. And the chorus is that's that run down on C again. Smile for me. So that's just like the intro bit. C, lower the bass to the second fret. Smile for A minor seventh. Me, sweet. Sorry, smile for me. Rosemary, F, re. Sorry, do it again. Come on, smile for me, Rosemary. What's the G suspended for? Using G, crying. Okay, so, oh come on, so, come on, smile, little smile for me, Rosemary. What's the use in crying? Again, whole thing. See, Rosemary, you must keep on trying. Then we're into the bridge section. Okay, so right from the beginning. Okay. Do 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 do. Should accept this time he's gone for good. He'll never come back now, even though he said he would. So darling, dry your eyes. Too many other guys would give the world, I'm sure, to wear the shoes he wore. Oh Rosemary, what's the use in crying? In a little while you'll see. Rosemary, you must keep on trying. As far as we've got, yeah? Now we're going into the bridge section, A7. That's an A chord with an open third string. Second on the fourth, second on the second. Yeah, that's where it goes. I know that D minor hurts you bad. Now it changes to D7. I know, darling. G suspended fourth. Don't be G sad. Two on each there. Don't be sad. Okay, so that's A7. I know that D minor hurt you bad. D7. I know, darling. G suspended. Don't be G sad. And then back into the chorus again. Smile a little smile for me, Rosemary, Rosemary. This time we go back to the C. And the intro. And then you're off into this next verse. And it just repeats the whole song again, basically, with different words on the verse. Okay? Exactly the same arrangement and everything. Okay? And you can finish with the outro, the intro, if you want to play the intro again as the outro. So, let's do the whole thing up to like I did the demo. Okay, slowly. Okay, so here we go. You really should accept this time is gone for good. He'll never come back now, even though he said he would. So darling, dry your eyes. So many other guys would give the world, I'm sure, to wear the shoes he wore. But come on, smile a little smile for me, Rosemary. What's the use in crying? In a little while you'll see. Rosemary, you must keep on trying. I know that he hurt you bad. I know, darling, don't be sad. And smile a little smile for me, Rosemary. And off into the second verse, okay? There you have it, boys and girls, my take on Flying Machine's Smile a Little Smile for Me from 1969. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.